Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first video I'm uploading and I thought why not create a golden glowy makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look then please continue watching. First and foremost, I'm moisturizing my face using Fuji Green Tea Body Butter from the Body Shop. And then I'm using Perfect Match Primer from Colorbar. Primer creates a smooth surface and helps to reduce the appearance of open pores, and it also helps makeup to stay much more longer. Now I'm using foundation, and the foundation I'm using today is from Maybelline. It is Fit Me Matte and Poreless Liquid Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. As you can see, I'm first dotting the foundation all over my face and blending using the brush. The one thing I have learned in order to get a smooth base is blending. So I'm just blending everything out. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. I'm applying this concealer wherever I want some extra coverage, and this concealer is also very good in order to bring back some light on the face. As you can see, it has definitely brightened up my under eye area, my forehead, bridge of my nose, my chin, and also under my cheekbones, basically my T-zone area. Next, I'm setting my face using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. My shade is 15 Light. After applying the foundation or concealer, it is very important to set the face because setting powder locks the base and makes sure that the foundation or concealer doesn't move. I'm moving to the blush. I am using Lakme Absolute Illuminating Blush Shimmer Brick. I am applying this on my cheeks and brushing it away. As you can see, I am blending this upwards so that my cheeks look more lifted. Next is highlighter. I am using Glow Glitter Highlighting and Illuminating Duo palette from Nykaa. I am applying this to the highest points of my face, which is above my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, and to the chin. Now moving to the golden glowy part of the look, I am moving to my eyes. The palette I'm using is Just Wink It 12 in 1 eyeshadow palette from Nykaa. And I am starting with the light brown eyeshadow first. I am blending this into my corner and creases. This will actually work as a transition color for my eyeshadow. Then I'm taking this dark brown color and placing this on my corner first to give the maximum payout, and then I'm just blending this all over but not taking this above my transition color. Then I'm using this golden shimmery eyeshadow and placing this on the center of my lid. This will give a beautiful golden color to my eyes, and at the last I'm blending my edges again so that there is no harsh lines. I'm also placing the same dark brown color near my lower lash line so that the whole eye look appears cohesive. The kajal I'm using is from Nykaa. It is Eyem 24/7 Kajal Eyeliner. Then I'm curling my lashes. Curling your eyelashes immediately opens up the eyes and you look awake. And no look is complete without the mascara. I'm using 4-5 coats of mascara and this instantly opens up my eyes. I'm using Big Eyes Long Lasting Super Waterproof Mascara from Mattlook Cosmetics. Then I'm filling up my brows and I'm using a dark brow pencil which is closest to my natural brow color, and I'm just shaping my brows. Using the same highlighter palette, I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes and also the brow bone area. To finish off the look, I'm using a soft brown lip liner and just lining my lips before going in with the lipstick. And then I'm applying Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. I'm also patting this into my lips for an even layer. And that is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.